In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious baked blue cheese and bacon dip recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of blue cheese, half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of heavy cream, half a cup of bacon, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and a 1/4 cup of green onions diced. In a bowl, we're going to add in the cream cheese and we're going to mix until it's soft. Add in the sour cream and continue to mix. Add in the blue cheese and mix until combined. Season with the garlic and the pepper. Slowly pour in the heavy cream while mixing. Make sure it's everything completely combined. Add in the bacon and mix until combined. Finally, add in the green onions and mix until everything is combined together. Transfer this dip into an oven-safe bowl. Bake in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Our baked blue cheese and bacon dip is complete. Now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.